Welcome my friends. I have an adorable Easter wreath for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make an adorable Easter wreath using items from Dollar Tree. Let me show you how to make this beautiful Easter wreath. To get started on our Easter wreath, you're going to need a wire wreath form. I'm going to be using the egg wreath form. If you can't find the Easter egg wreath form, you can always use their standard 14-inch round wreath for this project. You're also going to need some burlap ribbon. This I picked up from Dollar Tree. I do have 2 rolls in case I need it. And the first thing I want to do is cover the base here of our wreath form with the ribbon. Just add some hot glue here to my frame and get my ribbon on there. Once you have that anchored, simply wrap your wreath. Just make sure you overlap a little bit so that the whole wreath form is covered. Okay, I have my Easter egg wreath form covered with my burlap ribbon. It did take 2 rolls. And now you're going to need several packages of the Easter carrot decor that you can get at Dollar Tree. You get 6 pieces for $1.25. I'll let you know at the end how many packages you're going to need. It's storming like crazy outside again today, so if you hear that in the background or you hear a weird noise, that's what it is. Okay, so we're going to glue our carrots on our wreath form here. We're just going to be working our way around and we're going to cover the whole base using these cute little carrots. I have all my carrots attached, and you can see they look a little different because I used some packages that I picked up this year and I had some packages from past years. So I might go in and trim these guys a little bit so they're shorter like the others, but I'm going to wait till I get everything on there and see what it looks like. Right now I'm going in and reinforcing, making sure that all of my carrots are glued down well. Just sneaking in, adding a little bit of hot glue in between the carrots. Now this is the sign I've chosen to use on our wreath today. I thought it was absolutely adorable. This did come from Dollar Tree from their Easter 2025. It says Happy Easter there on the carrot. Now, I'm not a big fan of the dangling feet, so we're going to remove those. Now, you can leave the feet off or you can put them back on. I think I'm going to be putting mine back on. I want to cover these holes with the feet. So I'm going to fill in the little holes on the feet so they're not as noticeable. And I'm just going to be using some lightweight spackling. This is Tool Bench. I picked this up from Dollar Tree. I like this stuff. It's nice and soft. Just grab it, push it in the hole. Wipe off any excess. Check the back, make sure that's nice and flat too. Enjoying the content and want to see more? Make sure to hit the subscribe button. When the notification bell pops up, if you hit that too, YouTube should let you know every time I upload new content. Now before I reattach my feet, I'm going to add some floral wire to both of those holes. And that's what I'm going to use to attach my sign. Now there's also a hole back here with a jute cord to hang it. I'm going to remove that. I'm also going to add some floral wire here. And I like it because it's perfectly situated behind the bow, so you won't see it at all. One goes in the hole, the other one goes around. Pull it to the back and then give a good twist. You just need to leave it long enough so that you can easily attach it to the wreath form. You want to do that to each hole. I have all 3 pieces of my floral wire on, and now I'm going to put my feet back on, and that will cover the holes down here. I just want to make sure that they don't cover up my wording. In the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. Now I think that looks much better than them dangling underneath. Oh, what an adorable little bunny. I can't get over how cute her little face is. Our sign is now ready to be attached to our wreath form. Now before I get my sign onto my wreath form, I want to put my hanger on. I just took a piece of jute cord, folded it over and tied a knot. And I'm just going to hot glue this onto the back here. I have my hanger attached. I did put a piece of ribbon over the top. Let's get our sign attached. I think she's so cute. Now I want her a little low. That looks about right. So it looks like she's sitting on the inside of the wreath. And I'm going to attach her by using the floral wire. I'm going to wrap it around the entire wreath and tie it off in the back. So one wire will go around the inside and the other wire will go around the outside. Just make sure that when you pull it, you're going in between 2 carrots. Once you have your sign attached, you want to trim and push down those ends on the wire. And then I go over them with a little dab of hot glue. I want to make sure there's no sharp edges on the back of the wreath. And you can still adjust it a little bit once you have it wired down. So make sure you get it into the position you want. And then go in and add some hot glue. Enjoying today's content? Please show your support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and sharing the video with your friends. Such a cute little bunny. And here you go, we are all done. Now I was originally thinking about adding a bow, and I made a couple different ones. I really liked this pattern, but no matter where I tried them, I didn't like them. So then I went, okay, maybe just more of a basic bow, but still, it just didn't look right to me. So if you want to add a bow, please, by all means, go ahead. But I changed my mind, and I'm going to leave it just like this. I think she is so cute. Look at that. Happy Easter. Absolutely adorable and very easy to make. Such an adorable Easter wreath that's very quick and easy to make. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please show your support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and sharing this video with your friends. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, please leave me a bunny emoji in the comment section below. If you're looking for more Easter inspiration, you can click into my playlist right here. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should do so by clicking on this icon right here. Have a great day, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.